And welcome to my YouTube channel, Pinchik Vlog. This is Ate Panmoy Pinay and Chick, and we are here now on the way to the Dragon Festival. As you can hear the drum so strong. Yeah, because some of them already start the competition. So let's go and watch. So I'm going to cross the road now, going to the events. As you notice, there are lots of people and it's a bit cloudy, so I hope it won't. Yeah, but never mind. Even rain, it doesn't matter with the players. But for the watchers, the people, I hope it won't rain kasi mababasa sila. Ayan, oh. So let's go and watch the Dragon Boat Festival here in Hong Kong. Yeah, we're going here with lots of players. And I hope I can interview some of them. Ayun po, nandun po yung event. Yeah. The events will be there. So let's go and see. Oops. Because that side is already a river. That's our Chimon River. Kumbaga sa Tagalog, sa Pilipinas, Ilog Pasig. Yeah, it's a long one. Long Chimon River. Yan, maraming pulis ngayon kasi magka-crowd control po sila. Yan. So, ayan po ang mga player natin. Oh. Nakikita nyo na nga different uniforms. Iba-ibang uniform sila. Oh. So, they are from different mga makikita nyo, mga maskuladong mga ayan, so they are ready for the play. So I need to find my team. Yes, so those are they're going to play, so they are here. Yan po yung mga team. Panoorin natin sila mamaya doon sa kabila. So yan po. Yeah, so they are different ages. Ooh. So, ayan po yung mga teams. Ayan yung mga team. They are teams. Ayan. Dalawa na kamay kong hawak eh. So, I cannot, ano. So, they are different. This is Dragon, Hong Kong Dragon. Hello. Yes. Those are the one. Those are the teams. Hello. Vlogger, no? From Philippines. I'm a vlogger from Philippines. Yeah, hello. Dragon. Hello, hello. So that's very nice, the color of their shirts. So you can see they are all masculine, mga macho men, because they always row, practicing rowing. So their muscles are so, ayan po hanggang doon, oh, yan. And they are so friendly. So let's go and see the games. Magre-race sila. Ang akin namang ano, yung laging bumabaliktad. So let's see. Ayan, yung mga iba tapos na sila ng game eh. Magkakain na sila, may lechon sila, oh. Ayan. So there. Mamaya naman tayo. Ayan. Ito yung mga but-but nila. Ayan. Ito C and E naman. Tapos they have a booth here. Okay? So if you wanna play, or you buy something, you can do it here. And this is the event now. Ayan, oh. Pwede kayo mag-picture-picture dyan. Ayan. Ayan. Kita nyo may mga pagkain dito. Dito sila kakain. And these are the different groups. Ayan. Dito. May mga groups sila na where they get their foods. Ayan. Okay. So, ayan yung iba. Iba nakatapos na. Hello, hello. Hello players. Ay mga players. Oh. Hindi ako kilala. Ayan. Nakita nyo na yung boat. Ay yung ano nila dyan. Oh. Ayan. Sila kuya ay mga iba tapos na maglaro. So they have a place. Ayan, makikita nyo po nandun yung ano, oh. Ayun yung boat doon. Only the player can go inside here, so it's more convenient for them. Only the player can go inside there. Okay, we are not allowed to go in. So let's go here. Ayan, may mga group sila. Yes, some of them have, yeah, most of them really have this ano, lechon. So after finish, they can eat the lechon. Ayan yung lechon na bata. Baby pig, baby oink oink. But here no player. Here we can just watch the rowing of the boat. Kasi mga player nandito sa taas.